1. Let's name these materials. Children to stand in front of the materials placed on the table. Facilitators then politely name the materials in this manner. These are glitter. Repeat after me, glitter. Children to imitate after facilitator by mimicking what they say. To reinforce, facilitators may repeat the names of the material and read out the word on each name label. Children to then place the name labels in front of the materials respectively. Facilitators could aid children should they struggle in completing this task.
Part 2. Time to build my house. Each child will receive the following materials on the table. Facilitators to instruct children during the course of the activity and ensure that each child selects one glitter color. Children then mix the glitter and the clay together using their hands by molding the clay. Facilitators could help to mix the clay together with the children. After fully mixing the glitter and clay, children will flatten the clay on the work table. After which, children to use the cutter to create a two-dimensional clay house model. Children then decorate their own clay house model using the paint provided. Facilitators to ensure that all children are decorating appropriate designs on their clay model. Once children finish decorating their models, facilitators to place these finished models into the oven and collect it after 15 minutes of baking. This is an example of a finished model. Before baking, children could share their rationale of their own clay house model design to their facilitators and peers.
Part 1. What is a house? Children to complete a puzzle of a house. Facilitators could aid struggling children by pasting a few puzzle pieces on the board and aiding their thinking with guiding questions, such as, where does this piece fit into? Why don't you try this spot? This clip shows a struggling learner attempting to solve the puzzle. As you may see, the facilitator is there to help her throughout the process by asking her questions. Part 2. Do not step on the road. Children, after completing the puzzle, are to complete the obstacle course. Children could skip or jump on the spaces with the footprints depending on their abilities and preferences. However, they should avoid stepping on the road tracks. Facilitators may aid children by holding their hand or guiding them through the obstacle course.
Part 3. Let's decorate your house. After completing the obstacle course, children then enter the inflatable pool with plastic balls to search for two-dimensional furniture models, which are hidden among the plastic balls. Children then pick 5 different furniture models and place these models on My House board. Facilitators to ensure that children are behaving appropriately while they are in the inflatable pool. Facilitators could help struggling children by asking guiding questions such as, do you know what is the name of this furniture? Where do you think you could place this furniture in your house? After pasting the models on My House board, children have successfully completed the activity.